So you are welcome to my YouTube tutorial, and on today's video I'll be showing you how you can change your YouTube short video thumbnail. People find it hard to how to change thumbnail of their YouTube short. To do that, YouTube have make it easier for us to do that. So all you need to do is to locate your YouTube app, click on your YouTube app, wait for it to load. Then on this bottom right side, click on your profile. Then you go to the top here, you click on your view your channel, you click on it. So wait for it to load. You will see home, video, short, playlist, and post. Click on the short because you want to change the thumbnail of your short video. You click on it. So you can pick any random. Let me pick any random. Let me use this one as an example. So if I want to change the thumbnail of this my YouTube short, if I click on the, so you can see these three dots on top of this video. So just click on it. Then you click on edit. You come to this. You see view analytic, edit on the YouTube studio, save on this. But we are not interested on it. This is what we're interested on. Edit. Excuse me. After that, you come to the top. You see this pencil icon. Click on the pencil icon and wait for your YouTube short video to be ready. As you can see, it's ready already. So on this bottom side of the screen, so we have many frame here. You can pick any frame from this video to use as your YouTube short, to use as your YouTube short thumbnail. So you can select any way of this clip or any of this film to use. So I prefer this first place. So I click on this first place. After clicking on this, after putting it on this, uh, f- um, after putting it on this first film, then I will come to here and click OK. So automatically, I have selected the flame that I want to use for this thumbnail. Then I can click save. Once I click save. So once I click save, my video will save automatically. So this video is already, the flame is already as the same as what I use for my YouTube short thumbnail. So one thing about this YouTube short, you cannot add a custom thumbnail to it. You can only do that on what? On the desktop version of YouTube, of your YouTube studio. That's only where you can add a thumbnail to this, a custom thumbnail to this YouTube short.